Lisa here is a face that you will all get to know and love. Isn't she gorgeous? Lisa, you are in charge of the whole weight loss program here. You can help people no matter what they're interested in having done.
Absolutely.
And this machine behind us here can actually show you what you're going to look like, right?
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's a 3D vector machine. If you want to see what you would look like with breast augmentation, a tummy tuck, we can take care of that. You can actually see what you'll look like after surgery. It's amazing. You'll love it. So come on in. We'd love to see you. Dr. Graham would love to see you. And we'll get you taken care of.
Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
We're so glad to have you here, Lisa.
It was great seeing you guys again.
Great seeing you too. If you're looking for something a little more aggressive, the quick lift procedure here at Sculpted Figures is definitely for you. Here to tell us all about it is Dr. Graham. So good to see you again.
You too. Thank you for coming.
Absolutely.
It's always good to see you. Yeah, the quick lift is a great procedure. It's actually a procedure that's a modification of a procedure that was developed several years ago. Some of the patients may be familiar with it, the S-lift. This procedure is very similar in that it provides really good recovery. The difference is we're able to address the deeper layers of the face. And like any good procedure, you need to address the deeper tissues to provide stability where the repair lasts longer.
Absolutely.
And so that's one of the great things that we're able to do with this procedure. And then depending on the patient and what their needs are, the procedure is done very efficiently. Typically our OR times are anywhere from an hour to 4 hours. The procedure can be done under local anesthesia, which is great, or we can use standard general anesthesias if the patient has that preference. But we've had great success with it. You know, the downtime is really not too much. Our patients are up and out fairly quickly, and so we've had really good results with it. And we're pleased to be able to provide it to the patients in this community.
Absolutely. Now, looking at the before and after pictures, you can truly see how amazing this procedure is. And I understand if you really have a problem in the midsection or even your neck area, this is perfect for you.
It is, and you know, typically aging beats us all over time. You know,
It
gravity
does.
wins, and so the great thing about any well-done facial procedure is you can turn back the hands of time anywhere from 10 to 15 years for some patients. And
Wow.
you know, I think a well-done facelift is one that where patients know you look a little better, but they can't really put their finger on it.
It's not overdone.
Not overdone. You know, it's not a Hollywood version of
Exactly.
you know, stretch. And so we've had great success, and you know, I think it's really the future of facial surgery.
I love it. Have you looking like a spring chicken, right?
Exactly.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Graham.
Thank
you
you.
guys for watching. Make sure you give them a call right here at Sculpted Figures. Well, with spring comes the need to feel refreshed in all aspects of your life. Now, if you're looking to perk up your image a little bit, Sculpted Figures is definitely the place to come. Here to tell us about a non-invasive method that is FDA approved is Christine. Thanks so much for having us.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So tell me about this oil therapy. I mean, it sounds awesome.
Well, what it is a fabulous new FDA cleared machine or product that allows us to get a true constriction of collagen elastin without any downtime or surgery.
Wow.
And get true results as well. We can get a sculpting of the jawline, raising of the eyebrow, lift of the cheeks, and a tightening of the neck as well,
Wow,
too.
that's amazing. And most of the time when you do something like that, you're having to have a serious surgery, which is fine if that's the avenue you want to go. But to be able to come in and literally be able to go outside the next day, not have to worry about sun exposure, not have to worry about medications, there's so many upsides to this procedure.
Right, exactly. And that's why it's really nice for patients that just want to catch it early as soon as their skin starts to drop or lose a little bit of that laxity, and they start to notice what a lot of women like to call that turkey neck or the double chin.
Right.
Catching it early, and you know, everyone's so busy now, people that can't take off work or people for whatever reason can't or just won't have surgery. Some people
Exactly.
just not interested and it's not for them.
Right.
So this is a non-surgical option, like you said, that we don't have to worry about any post-procedure interactions because we're not doing anything to that surface structure of the skin.
That's amazing. So the minute that you get it, do you recognize results immediately or does it take a little while?
There are some people that do, and it's not the usual case. However, if people are kind of a little thinner, bonier, we have seen people have results right afterwards, but I hate to kind of put that out there because we have
Exactly.
absolutely seen it, but it's not kind of the normal case.
Right.
Results are usually seen about 3 to 6 months after. They continue for up to a year because that collagen elastin grow, from the dermis for a true wound that we put in there with the heat. So they get that constriction of the skin and tightening and plumping as well too, up to a year.
Wow,
the results are
that's
seen, and in
amazing.
just one treatment.
Wow, I love it. Well, thank you so much for telling us all about
You're
it.
so welcome.
Guys, I know you're going to love this treatment. It's truly amazing and like turning back the hands of time. So give Sculpted Figures a call today.
After the age of 40, most women get into the mirror and they do a little temporary fix. When you have the quick lift done, it's not a temporary in the mirror thing, it's lasting.
Look completely refreshed and years younger in one easy step.
I feel amazing. I never thought a quick procedure could be that easy and have such a great result.
Be one of the thousands of women just like Janet who are enjoying the lasting beauty of the quick lift. Call 1-800-321-LIFT today.